Is your Siemens EQ6 not dispensing hot water at all? No flow from the hot water outlet, or rinsing cycles failing? This usually comes down to scale buildup, a blocked nozzle, or an airlock. Let's go step by step. By the end of this video, you should have full water flow again. Step 1. Try the rinse function. On the main menu, go to Cleaning and Maintenance, Rinse Appliance. If nothing comes out, continue to the next step. Step 2. Check the hot water outlet. Remove the hot water nozzle. Check for clogs, mineral buildup, or coffee residue. Use a needle or pin to gently clear the opening, then rinse it under warm water. Step 3. Descale the machine. Scale buildup is the most common cause of water blockages. Run a full calc'n'clean cycle from the cleaning menu. Use Siemens descaling tablets for best results, and follow on-screen steps carefully. Step 4. Check for airlock if just refilled. If you just filled the water tank and nothing is coming out, air might be trapped in the system. Try lifting and lowering the tank a few times, then restart the rinse function. Step 5. Do a full reset. Unplug the machine for 5 to 10 minutes. After restarting, try dispensing hot water again. This can reset sensors and release air pressure if it's stuck. Still not getting water after all that? It could be a deeper internal issue. Time to contact Siemens support. We've added their contact link in the description below. If this video helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance troubleshooting guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and good luck restoring your water flow.